This Week in Welding.
All right, marker, action. All right, hallelujah. Welcome back to H&H Welding. Today we got a request from one of God's angels to do a video on why you shouldn't waste metal.
So, this Week in Welding, we are trying to find metal in the, well, we're running out of metal.
And I'm also concerned about Devin's sanity.
Sanity, boys. It's gone.
I am too. It's ridiculous. Oh my goodness. I mean, you gotta think. If you have a perfectly piece of T-weld right there, it's gone. Never mind. We'll scratch that. We'll go on to something. All right, look at that. That's ridiculous. There's a hole right there you could have plugged up. It's all looks all cut right there. Look at that.
Look at that.
Terrible. That's terrible.
Terrible.
Look at that. That's actually
Beautiful.
nice. That looks nice.
That's sexy.
I might have done that too.
I might have done that too. I don't know.
I don't know. Anyways, look at that. Not even all the slag chipped are pitiful. All right. Look at all that wire wasted. You know how many kids in Africa could have welded about 50 chairs with this wire right here. Pitiful. Then we're moving on to a butt weld. Butt weld. Ain't that just a funny thing to say, butt weld? I mean, go ahead, say it.
Butt weld.
No. That's sin. You can't say it, butt weld. No, we gotta say it like this to put two pieces of metal together like that and you weld it. No, we can't say butt weld. That's the sin. Anyways, pitiful. We got empty containers.